Well, Åge, first of all, welcome to Wales. One last game of the group to go against Craig Bellamy's team. What are you expecting tomorrow night?
I was expecting a good game. I think we had a good game against each other in Iceland, and Bellamy's done well with Wales. You know, they're up there fighting for a top spot, and we expect Wales to want to win the group because they have the chance for that. But we have also the chance if we beat them.
Aim for us before these two games to go into this last game with something under, and everything is under, as you said. So we're looking forward to it. The game back in Iceland was exciting as well. So hopefully another exciting game tomorrow.
Looking back at the 2-2 draw out in Reykjavik, it's a cliche, but it was a game of two halves. Wales strong in the first half, Iceland finishing really strong in the second half. What did you learn about your team during that game?
I think I learned a lot. We had a very good second half. We pressed them and we played well, and we have to do the same thing in Wales. We have to be brave if you're going to get something out of this game. And I know they're strong at home, and they don't concede many goals. Only 3, I think. So it will be a tough job, but we are prepared and we want to have a go.
So hopefully, as I said, it's just going to be a lot of fun tomorrow. I mean, playing here, good conditions, a lot of people hopefully turn up to the game. So it's under us that we need to embrace this challenge, embrace being away from home, and show how good we are.
Yeah, in terms of being away from home, how much of a factor can that play in a game like today?
Yeah, of course it can. I mean, I think playing at home, you maybe always get that extra boost. But I think as an away team, you can disrupt and cause a bit of chaos. I think first 20 minutes is going to be massively important because they are probably going to come flying against us. So we just have to be calm, collected, and figure out what they are doing, and then we go from there.
Finally, I asked your manager the same question, the fact that second spot is up for grabs for both teams. How much of an extra edge do you think that adds? Because this is exactly what we wanted from the Nations League, wasn't it?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, we can go to Group A. That's obviously the aim, to qualify to that. It gives you higher ranking points as well for the qualification in World Cup. So there's a lot of things going on tomorrow. And as I said, we learned a lot from the first game, and we'll do one better tomorrow and beat Wales away from home.